So here I am going to do rectus femoris activation and vastus medialis activation and decompression of the patellar area or the patellar tendon area to relieve pain and to activate the quadriceps muscles, medialis muscles, so that it gives relief pain, stiffness and swelling also, and better movement performance, better functions. So what we have to do is to measure and cut an eye strip from that origin of the rectus femoris muscle, that is AIIS, anterior inferior iliac spine, and that uh, that may we have to make it a Y. So how to make it a Y? I'll just take it I and just measure from AIIS to your muscular tendinous junction of the uh, rectus femoris, and then make it Y. So how? Let's make it Y from here to here. Since we are going to activate the muscles, so what tension should be on tape is around 30 to 40% tension on the tape. I cut it into a Y and then round the edges so that it don't peel easily from the skin. So I'm making it rounded. So this is the your Y strip. So just anchor it. So just I just tear the paper from here for half to one block for anchor, and just if you are if the patient is not comfortable, you can start with the girth of the muscles also. So from here to here, just rub the tape to activate the anchor. Now the stretch position of the tape. Stretch position is the hip extension, stretch position of the tissue. So just extend the tissue and go till musculo-tendinous junction of the muscles, and with 35 to 40% of tension from here to here. Rub it. And then stretch the tissue for the end. From here to, we have to allow patient to flex the knee up to what he or she is comfortable. Then apply each tail around the patella to its insertion point, and then from here to tibial tubercle or tibial tuberosity, and then with the same end should be in 0% tension. So this is the application of kinesio tape for the rectus femoris. We should start from origin to insertion to activate a muscle with 30 to 40% up to 30 to 40% of tension over the tape, and end with 0% tension to the insertion point of that muscle. So this is the your rectus femoris application activation. And now we have to go with the vastus medialis application, activation of vastus medialis. So what is vastus medialis? The same application from origin to insertion. Vastus medialis originates from the intertrochanteric line of femur to the and it inserts into the that medial condyle and the that tibial tubercle. So just tear the paper from back and make it anchor. Apply anchor with 0% tension over the femur. Then what we have to do is to apply the 30 to 40% tension with stretch position and end it to the condylar area and just activate the adhesive and end with 0% tension. So this is the application for the medialis. So this is rectus femoris activation, this is medialis activation. Now what we have to do is, in patellofemoral pain syndrome there are very compressed areas over around the patella. So what we have to do is to decompress the area, and for decompression what we have to do, just take a eye strip and tear it from the center like this, and you should apply this eye strip directly over the painful area just to decompress the structure. So we will apply it over the that area of the most congested area. So we have to decompress that area. So we apply that eye strip over the patella, below the patella, so that it decompress the area. So this is the eye strip. So I am going to apply it directly over the patella and with up to 30 to 50% of tension, so that it lifts the area and decompress the structures. So like this. And just remove the paper and apply the end with no tension. Same here. So this is the application, and you can always use different techniques over there. Means if there is if you think that muscles is quite that hyper activated, so you can go with the that inhibition of that muscle. You can go with the if there is lots of swelling, you can go with the lymphatic correction of muscle. So lymphatic correction over the area. So there are lots of options with the kinesio tape, so that you can relieve the patient. I am giving you an example here that you can apply this technique to relieve the pain and the stiffness of the patient. And but remember one thing, that kinesio tape is not cure for all. It is an adjunct to your therapy, adjunct to your physiotherapy management, so that you can relieve the patient. But you cannot only rely on the kinesio tape. You have to go with all the treatment protocols what you have in your clinic settings or in your in your treatment protocols. So this is the thing. Thank you so much.